This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Professional photos coming soon. Main level master. All brick. Great open floor plan. 2-car garage on main level. 2 bedrooms up with loft and full bath. Bedroom 2 is huge. Large storage room on second level. Master boasts a walk-in shower, dual sinks, whirlpool tub and large walk-in closet. Kitchen is open to great room and dining area. Granite counters. Stainless steel appliances. Pantry. Refrigerator stays. Great room with cathedral ceiling, fireplace and opens to beautiful sunroom with built-in bookshelves/cabinets. Lots of windows for lots of light. Hardwood and great room, master, foyer/hallway and half bath. This condo is located in a great area of West Knoxville. Convenient to shopping, schools, doctors, hospital, I-40, Northshore dining room and Kingston Pike. For more information